Hey guys, do you want to make anywhere between $5 and $75 per hour, no matter where you are in the entire world? Sitting on the beach in Bali, being home, being in the UK, or just traveling around in your caravan? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you an amazing platform today where you can learn how to make anywhere between $5 to $75 an hour. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new platform where you can make anywhere between $5 to $75 per hour doing all kinds of different things as a freelancer. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so today I'm going to introduce you to a new platform called FreeUp. This is a great place where you can apply as a freelancer and you can offer so many different services that I will go into in just a little bit, where you can make anywhere between $5 and $75 an hour. They have a fast hiring process, which is awesome, and you get paid weekly. So now I'm going to pull up on my screen all the different categories that you can be offering up services. So as you can see, when you head over to FreeUp, all you have to go is to their pricing, and this is where you can find competitive pricing no matter where you live, either non-US or in the US, UK, and you can see exactly what these services are going for. As you can see in just the marketing and sales, you can offer anything from marketing, basic level, expert, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, SEO, social media, email marketing, graphic design, and more. In the non-US, the starting rate starts off at $5 an hour, and in the US, UK, it starts off anywhere between $20 to $75 an hour, which is so amazing. You can also start offering services in Amazon from basic level to expert, PPC, merch, label, as well as business operations, web, mobile, software development, e-commerce, accounting and finance, web design, and content creation. What's so amazing is that you can find exactly what your past skills are or what you actually enjoy doing and offer it as an actual service. So as you guys can see, this is definitely a great thing for you to see exactly what services you want to offer and what the going rate is. Right now, Salesforce, sales funnels, public relations are all in-demand services and start off at $35 an hour, up to $75 an hour. With using FreeUp, this is just a guideline of what you can offer your services as, anywhere from $5 to $75 plus an hour. All freelancers set their own rates on the marketplace. Now I'm going to go over how this actually works for freelancers, right? And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to actually apply to join the FreeUp marketplace. All you have to do is fill out a freelancer application. Within 1 to 2 days, you'll actually receive a response from the Freelancer Success team. The next thing you'll do is an interview with FreeUp. You'll schedule a meeting with a FreeUp representative, and the interview usually takes anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes. The third step is you're going to take a basic test. Don't freak out about the test. This is actually just a test for you to go over and show FreeUp that you understand their terms and best practices using their site. No scammers allowed. Number 4, you're going to gain access to the FreeUp community. A FreeUp assistant will actually reach out to you and help you set up your account and introduce you to the community. The support is truly amazing. And number 5, you're going to browse and then you're going to start landing client projects. You're going to be able to see all the open projects available and start applying to projects that are going to fit your expertise and your rate that you set. You're going to be able to interview with clients and land new projects every single day. And last but not least, you're going to start getting paid weekly. Yes, that's right, weekly. Billing periods run Wednesday through Tuesday each week. Clients are billed on Thursdays, and freelancers are paid the following Thursdays. Consistent income that you don't have to start worrying about anymore of when you're going to get paid and when your clients are actually going to pay you. And you'll be able to start receiving payments directly to your bank account that you set up through your FreeUp account. So head over there and apply today. If you're thinking, April, this sounds great and I'm really excited to dip my feet into becoming a virtual assistant and a freelancer, but I feel like I just don't have the experience. Well, guys, head over to the description below and check out my course, Stay at Home Profit Virtual Assistant Edition. This is going to be the perfect course that's going to help you know exactly what you should offer, give you the skills you need, the tools you need to offer those services to your clients, as well as help you figure out exactly what you should be selling your rates for. If you're looking to replace your salary, or if you're looking just to make a couple $100s a month, virtual assisting and becoming a freelancer is perfect for you. There are tons of different websites like FreeUp where clients are begging for freelancers just like you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!